Long-lasting fragrance. Hang it in your car, home or office. Kit includes 3x little trees in the heat scent. Country of origin: United States. CAR-FRESHNER Corporation is the company behind the Little Trees brand air fresheners. We are headquartered in Watertown, New York, USA. These air fresheners proved an efficient, high-quality solution to a common problem, and soon they were flying off shelves. Top reviews from the United States. Love the smell, but it doesn't last long. Smells good but smell don't last like 3 or 4 days, maybe 5, no more than that at all.